Hi everyone. Let's know some interesting facts with brilliant Beez. Fact number 1. Elephants can't jump. They're the only land animals that can't lift all 4 feet at once. Fact number 2. A giraffe's tongue is about 18 inches long. It's purple and helps them eat leaves from tall trees. Fact number 3. Bats sleep upside down. They hang by their feet to stay safe from predators. Fact number 4. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. It helps them spot danger from far away. Fact number 5. A rhino's horn is made of hair. It's made of keratin, just like your nails and hair. Fact number 6. Camels can close their nostrils. It helps them keep out sun during desert storms. Fact number 7. They turn pink from eating shrimp and algae. Nature is beautiful. If you want to know more facts like these, then subscribe to Brilliant Beez YouTube channel. We provide you daily fun videos, so stay tuned with us.